So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Opera GX on Windows 11. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here search for Opera GX. Now click on this first link. Now here click on download Opera GX. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. And now the Opera GX setup is downloaded. Click on it to run it. Now here click on accept and install. Now click on accept and this will start installing Opera GX. Wait until the process is completed. And now the browser installed and you can use it. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Click on next again. Click on next again. Now you can import your data. For this, click here. Now select a browser. Let's select Edge. Click on import. Now click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. And now you can use Opera GX. So this I can install and use Opera GX on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.